Welcome to the Hampton Inn and Suites located in Middleburg, Florida. This is actually the second time we've stayed here, so this video will focus more on the room type. For a full tour, check out our other video located in the description down below. During this stay, we had a room with 2 queen beds instead of the 1 king bed. The bathroom is very clean, and this time there was a tub, which there wasn't last time. We also noticed that some of the soaps were mounted on the wall, which is something we've only typically seen in the Home 2 Suites or the True hotels. The room was relatively nice, though not well lit, and this time there was no armchair like the other room, but granted, there's less space available since there's 2 beds instead of 1. During this day, we noticed they had a slightly different breakfast option, and everything seemed better stocked. Thank you for joining us on our backpack adventures. If you have any questions about the hotel, please leave a comment down below and have a wonderful day.